What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikeydailycarry, and I'm back with another weekly EDC POV. What did I carry this week? I know I'm a little late. I usually do this at the beginning of the week, but it has been a crazy week. So starting off with the wrist, I got the black tip standard with a green bezel there, and this is by Monterey Watches. And if you want to get a sweet watch just like such, use MikeyBA at checkout. You get 25% off your entire purchase. On this side here, I just got some beads, and this right here is unique because it's a glass breaker. So if you get into an accident and you need a GTFO out of the car, boom, use that to break the window and that'll get you right out. Got that on my wrist right here. As always, on the left, I have some keys. And I got the same stuff here, my Olight IR2 Pro, a whistle, a pry bar. That's actually a new thing that I added on here. This little S-beaner here by Key Unity. This is by Exceed Designs. This is titanium carabiner. And this right here is a tie pick, titanium tie pick by DailyCarryCo. Over on this belt hole here, I have my AirPods Pro with the Moss Andar leather case. Super patinaed out there. Since I'm already on this side, in my fifth pocket, no, chapstick. I got some chapstick, and I also have this paperweight. Also acts as a good ring. But what's cool about this is that this is by Swamp EDC, and these are interchangeable inserts that they have on there. So brass action, got that right there, and it has a bottle opener. So that's in my fifth pocket. And let's see, anything else in the pocket? No. Over in side mag pocket, I just got some glasses, just clips on to my current glasses here via magnet. In the back right pocket, I have a Segai pattern Awesome Hanks design, and I really love that. Really good for cleaning my glasses and my phone and such. Over in the left pocket, I have, my pen fell out, but I got this whole brass setup here in my Paradrop Triari 3.0, and I also went with a brass carry. So I got Big Eye Design brass Pocket Pro pen. Really love that. I changed the insert to this little needle type cartridge. Writes really fine. For the light, I have a brass i3T by Olight, and then I have a brass scaled, antique brass scaled bug out S30V Benchmade. Yates Knives is the ones who makes this scales. And for my coin, because the 3.0 has a coin slot, I have HCP's Good Life coin. All right, never forget, there's always hope. And that sits right in there. That's what I have stored in my left pocket. Mag pocket back here, don't got anything, but back left pocket, I have my wallet by EverydayhankEDC. This is a custom Moab version 2. I also have some beads here. Pick Skull by Pocket Filth, Inky EDC. I have a copper Big Eye Design mini dual side click pen. Just did a review on that. And then back here, I got some patches. So these are some patches that I sell, Zon patches, and this is a Chris Reeves knife patch. That is what I got in my pockets. And then on my hip, I have the Arc, Leatherman Arc in this case here. Rips Garage Tech. Also have the bit extender there as well. And then I also have Fixed Blade. This is the Scout 2.5 by Griffin Co. That just goes right in there. And that's what I got. That's what I carried this week. What is in your pockets? Welcome out.